There they are, and then when they highlight up, I know I'm ready to go. Here's autograph, just the activity I might set for a student. I can pause the video at any time if I need to gather my thoughts before carrying on. I can draw on the screen, but you can't erase what you've drawn on the screen, so to be used with care. And then so here we're going to do a just quick 3D volumes of revolution. This is autograph software. It's a one-off payment. It is a paying piece of software, but it's only a one-off payment, not a yearly license. We use it at the school and really like it. So further blue background. I'm not sure I'll need the key, but I'll keep it for now just so we can see. I'm going to put a function in there. So I just press enter on the keyboard, or I can enter equations, but enter is the easiest on my keyboard, and I'm going to try a y equals a sine bx, just a simple one, plus c. So that a, b and c are going to become a parameters that I can vary using this constant controller here that will highlight up once that's started. I'm going to plot as a 2D equation because I want to do a volume of revolution. This is the best software we're aware of. You can do it in GeoGebra 2 using surface areas, but this one I think is more dynamic and user friendly and more related to the area under the graph as opposed to a surface, how you calculate a surface. Great, so then I can go and get the grabby hand here. If you don't have this side toolbar, it's very useful. You can just go to View, Toolbars and Modes, and it will come on. And then I'm just going to turn that there. Great. I'm going to click on it. And this could be, I could have asked students to design a bottle container or a vase or something and assess the different merits of the different models. Great, everything's looking fine there. I'm just going to find an area under that, so I click on it, right click and find area. I'm telling it where I want it to start, so yeah, I'm going to go from 0. I can't really see where it goes up to, so there's just one setting I probably want to change. If I go into axes, edit axes, I probably just want to change that setting in options to not having the scale always outside the grids. I want it inside the grid really, and that's going to be very helpful to just see where that endpoint. So I think I'll probably have it stop at 4 actually in this case. So let's do that again. Area and 0 to 4. These are, I could have rectangles that are slightly less than the curve, rectangles that are slightly more, or I'm going to go for the trapezium rule or Simpson's rule. Divisions is how many blocks you're going to cut that up into, how many areas. I'm going to go for 100 so it looks more or less solid. And OK, and there we have it. I now need to click off because I can't do volumes of revolution if both the line and the area selected. When I right click, you see I don't get the volumes of revolution option. So I'm just going to click once and then right click and volume of revolution. And before I do that, it's quite nice to have the turtle on up here. In the top there, it's quite nice to have the turtle on, so I'm just going to right click and find volume. Great, OK, yep, I want it to rotate around the x axis, or y equals 0, and off it goes. And that's quite nice, and I can grab it and I can also use the pause functions if I need to. I can slow down the speed of it also. Great, really nice. So I've used this voice capture to show them how to do it, and then they can go and do that at home. And now we've got lots of editing tools, so I'm going to stop the video.